next door to the farm of Uncle Homer Zuckerman.
You'll make lots of new friends here. Just be yourself.
Fern tearfully pulls herself away and runs to the waiting school bus. Wilbur screams and begins to run with friends. A boy snap and he takes off. A few days later, Wilbur bubbles and splashes in the mud. I don't want to join me. None of the animals do rejected Wilbur. He plops down next to his trunk. A rat appears and starts shoving food into his mouth.
Hey there, my name's Wilbur. Do you have any?
Of course I do. It's Templeton.
Hey, Templeton, you want to play?
For so many reasons, no, I don't play. I know, I spy, I eat, I hide. Me in a nutshell.
Templeton disappeared on his route that night. Wilbur led in the cold, dark barn.
Good night. Good night. Good night.
An older female voice rises from the darkness.
You won't be doing that all night. I'm trying to concentrate.
I can't sleep in the sun. Tell me good night.
Good night, okay? All better now?
Please tell me where you are. Can't you see I'm lonely?
Shh. You think you're the only one around here who's alone? Go to bed and we'll converse tomorrow.
Converse?
Chat.
The next morning, Wilbur stares impatiently at the horizon.
Okay, it's morning, but the party that just me last night kindly make yourself known.
Shh. Pipe down and I'll come out.
It's Farley, iron legs, and fangs. Ugh.
A large gray spider lowers herself in the corner of the doorway.
I think this is the part where I say, salutations.
Wilbur smile fades. He hangs his head and turns.
Oh, okay. Salutations. Wilbur, it's just a fancy way of saying hello.
Oh, hello.